Hello everyone! For a while now I have a specific pattern in my mind and I kept thinking where or in what to incorporate it. So today I decided to make an amulet because I think it would be the best choice. So stay close to check out the result, but also because I have a surprise for you later, namely a special guest will be starring in the video. I started with crimping some strips for a more attractive design. You could get away with not doing the crimping, but it does make a big difference, I would say. After cutting each strip in 4 pieces, I started gluing them one to each other at one of the ends. To replicate the pattern that I had in my mind, I took a marble and I started making some sort of teardrop from my glued crimped strips, placing the marble in the middle and gluing the paper around it. I glued each strip one with the next because it was the only way to keep everything in place. Then I started preparing my next shapes, some orange loose coils, which I think will complement the design quite well once they are finished. I added some contrast too, a little black around every coil. Then I shaped everything into teardrops. With everything in hand, I continued by mixing my shapes and trying a few combinations to understand which one will look or fit better. Of course, even if I have a specific pattern in my mind at the beginning, when I actually create my pieces, I may sometimes realize that not everything is how I imagined, so I modify, add or remove pieces along the way. And because this is an abstract model, I don't necessarily need to follow a specific pattern. After finding the best match, I start gluing the pieces together. I then created a loop that I glued on top of my creation because I needed it for getting the chain through it. Because it is difficult to give up my passion for Swarovski crystals, I added 3 small lilac ones, nothing too flashy because we also have the golden marbles included. While trying to add the chain, somebody felt the need to be in the middle of events and in the light of the camera. And I had no choice but to play along. After all, a little fun didn't hurt anyone. And that's it. Thanks for watching me and my furry companion here, and I hope you enjoyed what came out of our hands. Let me know down in the comments if you would change anything to the design. One interesting idea came to me while I was working on this piece, namely to use some pearls instead of the marbles, but I need to find a better way to secure them to the paper, and because of this I will try to use them in another project. All in all, I think the amulet came out great. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. See you soon and take care!